Hi Pimps and Simps, it's me LT and welcome back to another video.
Same if you don't leave with me. Ass up, head down, next time you dress down, no I like.
So today I am doing a twist out. I've did mini twist on my hair and they've been in for like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna do that twist out for y'all and let y'all know how it goes. If you want to stalk and stick around, my social media will be right here as well as linked in the bio. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. But with all that being said, let's get right into this video. This twist out, I'm using the Shea Moisture Make It Last oil, or the Curls Blueberry Scalp and Hair Treatment. So I'm just going to start by untwisting these sections of my hair. As you can see, this is going to be the only one that I show you in full effect. But then I'm just going to go in and untwist every single one of them, unravel them as you see. I get through about half a section, I go through and I put the curl scalp oil all through my scalp, and then I just rub it in just so my scalp is not dry for the duration of the style. Okay, so this is what this side looks like. I think it looks super cute. This is my first time ever doing a twist out. I don't know if I said that, but this is how it turned out. And now I'm just going to do the exact same process to the other side, and I'll show you all the final result. So I'm just going to finish up the front sections of twists in my hair, as you can see, and after I untwist the last pieces, I'm going to go ahead and add in my scalp oil and then rub that into the top of my head. This is how the twist out turned. It's bouncy, it's not too frizzy. Would totally do this twist out again, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got these twists in, please check out my mini twist video that I'll have linked above. But that's all for this video, guys, so thank you and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.